About 2015, Ford did something very remarkable. They started to use a plastic oil pan on their vehicles. The only way to seal the drain plug on a plastic oil pan is with a plastic drain plug. This is a plastic drain plug for a Ford that has the 2.7, 3 liter, or even the 3.5, and it's made its way onto a couple of different V8s. This is designed to go in, turn 120 degrees, and then be secured with these two ears on the side of the drain plug. This way, it's mechanically locked in there. With this, you don't have to worry about that previous guy who put 80 foot-pounds of torque on that drain plug and it can't come out now. This only needs to rotate 120 degrees to come out. To do this, well, there's a socket in back, or you can do it with your hand even. Just don't use too much torque because you're not exactly sealing it that way. This is what's actually sealing it. It's this O-ring right here that goes inside the bore for the drain hole. With these, it's recommended that the drain plug is replaced every oil change, which makes sense with oil changes now going 7,000 or 10,000 miles. With this, you're going to make sure that the customer's vehicle is sealed until the next oil change. And there also are improvements out there where they have the same oil drain plug, but they've designed it so the oil flows straight down. This way, on a Ford F-150, you're not hitting the sway bar and making a mess with the oil coming out of the engine. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.